Welcome to the Medical and Health Information Literacy tutorial. This is Tutorial-10 from Saab Medical Library. I've showed you before how to go about MEDLINE OVID's mesh searching. Say this was not satisfactory enough and I didn't get enough results from what I did in mesh searching. Knowing that, from the controlled vocab databases or the mesh databases, I can do both mesh searching and keyword searching. However, the keyword searching is made less dumb, and we're gonna see how in a few seconds. But first, let us stay in the mesh searching. How can we stay in the mesh searching and increase our search? Using the following steps. 1. We can remove the subheadings if there are any selected. Still, didn't get enough results, we can remove the focus if selected. Hence, I'll be selecting both major and minor meshes of my mesh concept. If I did that and still I did not get enough results, I should remove the limits if any is selected. For example, the age, like in our example of nutrition disorders in Arab countries in aged people. What about broadening the mesh if I did all 3 steps and did not receive any relevant result? So I would go into exploding nutrition and metabolic diseases rather than exploding nutrition disorders. If this also didn't work, I can OR with the other mesh searches, like I can go into the scope of nutrition disorders and see what are other related meshes, so I can OR with feeding behavior. If this also didn't work, I should check for the year of coverage. For example, I should go and check whether I have selected the broadest database among them all. If not, I can go here and change. If I have done that already, and still I did not get enough results, then I should be going to the keyword searching made less dumb in the next video.